These Bioduck DG64-00473B Samsung stove knobs feel substantially sturdier than the factory parts, with a reinforced metal core that resists the cracking issues many original knobs suffer from. The black stainless steel finish matches compatible Samsung gas ranges very well, so the replacements blend in seamlessly and keep the stove looking cohesive and modern. Installation is straightforward enough that you can swap all 5 knobs in just a few minutes without any special tools or technical experience. Once installed, the knobs turn smoothly with a reassuring resistance, giving better control over burner settings and a more solid, premium feel during daily use. The upgraded construction holds up well under frequent cooking and heavy-handed use, making these knobs a practical choice for busy kitchens and larger households. Because they come as a complete 5-piece set that fits like the originals, you can refresh the entire front of the range at once instead of hunting down individual replacements.